गुरुभ्यो नमः। प्रथमोऽध्यायः। ॐ प्रथमचरित्रस्य ब्रह्मा ऋषिः, महाकाली देवता, गायत्री छन्दः, नन्दाशक्तिः, रक्तदन्तिका बीजम्, अग्निस्तत्त्वम्, ऋग्वेदस्वरूपम्। श्रीमहाकाली प्रीत्यर्थे प्रथमचरित्रजपे विनियोगः। ध्यानम्। खड्गं चक्रगदेषु चापपरिगाञ्चूलम्, मुशुण्डीं शिरः, शङ्खं सन्दधतीं करैस्तृणयनां, सर्वाङ्गभूषावृताम्, नीलाश्मद्युतिमास्य पाददशकां, सेवे महाकालिकाम्। यामस्तौ स्वपिते हरौ कमलजो, हन्तुं मधुं कैटभम्। ॐ नमश्चण्डिकायै। ॐ ऐं मार्कण्डेय उवाच। सावर्णिः सूर्यतनयो यो मनुःखत्यतेष्टमः, निशामय तदुत्पत्तिं विस्तराद्गततो मम। महामायानुभावेन यथा मन्वन्तरादिवः, स बभूव महाभागः सावर्णिस्तनयो रवेः। स्वारोचिषेऽन्तरे पूर्वम् चैत्रवंशसमुद्भवः, सुरतो नाम राजाभूत् समस्ते क्षितिमण्डले। तस्य पालयतः सम्यक् प्रदाः पुत्राणि वौरसान्, बभूवुः शत्रवो भूपाः कोला विद्वांसिनस्तथा। तस्य तैरभवद्युद्धम् अतिप्रबलदण्डिनः, न्यूनैरभिसतैर्युद्धे कोला विद्वांसिभिर्जितः। ततः स्वपुरमायातो निजदेशाधिपोऽभवत्, आक्रान्तः स महाभागस्तैस्तदा प्रबलारिभिः। अमात्यैर्बलिभिर्दुष्टैः दुर्बलस्य दुरात्मभिः, कोशो बलं चापहृतम् तत्रापि स्वपुरे ततः। ततो मृगया व्याजेन युक्तः स्वाम्यः स भूपतिः, एकाकी हयमारुह्य गजानगहनं वनं। स तत्राश्रममद्राक्षीत् द्विजवर्यस्य मेधसः, प्रशान्तस्वापताकीर्णं मुनिशिष्योभशोभितम्। तस्थौ कञ्चित् सकालं च मुनिना तेन सत्कृतः, इतश्चेतश्च विचरन् तस्मिन् मुनिवराश्रमे। सोचिन्तयत्तदा तत्र ममत्वाकृष्टचेतनः, मत्पूर्वैः पालितं पूर्वं मया हीनं पुरं हि तत्। मत्कृत्यैस्तैरसद्वृत्तैः धर्मदः पाल्यते न वा। न जाने स प्रधानो मे शूरहस्ती सदा मदः। मम वैरिवशं यातः काण्डभोगानुपलक्ष्यते। ये ममानुगदा नित्यं प्रसादधनभोजनैः अनुवृत्तिं ध्रुवं देद्य कुर्वन्त्यन्यमहीभृताम् असम्यग्व्ययशीलैस्तैः कुर्वद्भिः सततं व्ययम् सचिन्तयति दुःखेन क्षयं कोशो गमिष्यति एतश्चान्यच्च सततं चिन्तयामास पार्थिवः तत्र विप्राश्रमाभ्यासे वैश्यमेकं ददर्श सः सपृष्टस्तेन कस्त्वं भो हेतुश्चागमनेत्रकः सशोक इव कस्मात् त्वं दुर्मना इव लक्ष्यसे इत्याकर्ण्यवचस्तस्य भूपतेः प्रणयोदितम् प्रत्युवाच स तं वैश्यः प्रश्रयावनतो नृपम् वैश्योवाच समाधिर्नाम वैश्योऽहम् उत्पन्नो धनिनां कुले पुत्रदारैर्निरस्तश्च धनलोभादसाधुभिः विहीनश्च धनैर्दारैः पुत्रैरादाय मे धनम् वनमभ्यागतो दुःखी निरस्तश्चाप्तबन्धुभिः सोऽहं न वेद्मि पुत्राणां कुशलाकुशलात्मिकाम् प्रवृत्तिं स्वजनानां च धाराणां चात्र संस्थितः किं नु तेषां गृहे क्षेममक्षेमं किं नु साम्प्रतम् कथं ते किं नु सद्वृत्ता दुर्वृत्ता किं नु मे सुताः। राजोवाच यैर्निरस्तो भवान् लुब्धैः पुत्रधारादिभिर्धनैः यैर्निरस्तो भवान् लुब्धैः पुत्रधारादिभिर्धनैः तेषु किं भवतः स्नेहम् अनुबध्नाति मानसम् तेषु किं भवतः स्नेहम् अनुबध्नाति मानसम् यैर्निरस्तो भवान् लुब्धैः पुत्रधारादिभिर्धनैः तेषु किं भवतः स्नेहमनुबध्नाति मानसम्
किं भवतः स्नेहमनुबध्नाति मानसम् There's a saying in English, pot calling kettle black. No? Here, Raja's position is also not different from. He's thinking about his country, how he is going to get back, how I am chased out, what will happen to my elephant. That is more important. And all these people have cheated me of my money and everything. Vaishya's position is his family, because Raja is a bigger Raja, so he thinks about his kingdom, province, whereas we all think about our family. We are prajas. This merchant is like, how these people chased me out, but still my love for them has not come down. So Raja is questioning. Now, it's very easy to talk from outside and comment about somebody. It's a lesson that we all learn because we don't go through something. We don't know the intensity of what the other person is going through. We are not able to empathize them unless we have gone through the same kind of a thing. In spite of that, Raja is telling. So, unless we have gone through something so similar in our life, we cannot empathize with somebody going through the same thing. Because we are not going through it, we are observing it from outside. There's a lot of difference in this too. Raja is telling me, those people are greedy. Your sons, your wife and your servants are all greedy of your wealth. Yair nirastho bhavan lubdhai putra dara debhirdhanaihi. Lubdhai bhavan lubdhai. Lubdhai means, I told you, it is lobha. Lobha means greedy. Lubdhai. Out of greediness, they took all your wealth. Putra dhara debir dhanai. And they chased you out. They took your wealth. So many times in the will, they will take the signature and even will not even bother whether father is living or not. No? It's like that. It is happening now. It is happening then also in the second Manvantara. See, it is happening in the second Manvantara. We are not to be blamed. So, they have chased you out. They have taken out of greed, they have taken all your wealth and they have chased you out. Yair nirastho bhavan lubdhair putra dhara. Those greedy sons, greedy wife and the greedy servants disposed you of taking your wealth. Teshu kim bhavada sneham. Why you have to have soft karma for them? Anubhadnadi manas. Why you have to harbor that affection for them even now, after they have chased you out? Nirghadi pavam, he is standing outside the house. He has come to the forest. Even after that, why you are harboring affection for them? Why that affection has not gone? You should have said no, because they chased me out. Okay, they are out of my life. When they want me to be out of their lives, let them be out of my life. No, but still there is this thing in him. What my children will be doing, whether they will be doing the right thing or not, whether they will be spending the wealth right in a right way, dharmic way. If something inauspicious has befallen them, they are doing well, kshemam, akshemam. All these kind of thoughts are coming to him. It is very strange how these things still happen to us. It is exactly like, that is why this Devi Mahatmyam is something that we can relate to so much. We can relate to so much because whatever happens, we cannot disown our family. Whatever happens, our children or our family, husband means wife, wife means husband, at any point of time, even if they do wrong, they have wronged you, you cannot disown them. What keeps us holding on to that? The question is that Vaishya is giving still respect to the king because he's the king and is replying next. Vaishyo vacha
Vaishyo vacha
एवमेतत् यथा प्राह
एवमेतद्यथा प्राह एवमेतद्यथा प्राह
भवानस्मद्गतं वचः
भवानस्मद्गतं वचः भवानस्मद्गतं वचः
एवमेतद्यथा प्राह भवानस्मद्गतं वचः
एवमेतद्यथा प्राह भवानस्मद्गतं वचः एवमेतद्यथा प्राह भवानस्मद्गतं वचः
किं करोमि न बध्नाति
किं करोमि न बध्नाति किं करोमि न बध्नाति
मम निष्ठुरतां मनः
मम निष्ठुरतां मनः मम निष्ठुरतां मनः
किं करोमि न बध्नाति मम निष्ठुरतां मनः
किं करोमि न बध्नाति मम निष्ठुरतां मनः किं करोमि न बध्नाति मम निष्ठुरतां मनः
एवमेतत् यथा प्राह भवानस्मद्गतं वचः किं करोमि न बध्नाति मम निष्ठुरतां मनः
एवमेतद्यथा प्राह भवानस्मद्गतं वचः किं करोमि न बध्नाति मम निष्ठुरतां मनः एवमेतद्यथा प्राह भवानस्मद्गतं वचः किं करोमि न बध्नाति मम निष्ठुरतां मनः.
He is exactly like us. He says, the same thought occurs to me too. Eva metat yatha. Whatever you said now, eva metat yatha praha bhavan asmat. The same thought, whatever you said now, occurs to me as well. I am really confused why I should have. Whatever I tried, I cannot think bad for them. I cannot. That is what is this. Kim karo minna badnadi. My heart is not bound to be spiteful or hurtful. I cannot think anything what is otherwise for them. Like, only good things I still can think only good about them. I am not able to, that bad should befall them or something like that. I cannot be hurtful. I cannot be spiteful. My heart is not bound like that. So the question comes, when you are a good person and you are following the dharma and some adharma happens to you, adharmic things happen to you, you are caught like, where to go. Exactly, Vaishya is like that. Vaishya is a very wonderful soul. That is what they are saying. These are all the words like, that he cannot, Nishturadham. Nishturadham means that's being spiteful. Mama Nishturadham, na badnati. My heart is not bound by that being spiteful. Mama na badnati, mama Nishturadham. I cannot think bad. My heart cannot, I am not cut out like that. That is what he says, that confusion is because of that. Yai santyajya pitrusneham.
Yai santyajya pitrusneham. Yai santyajya pitrusneham.
Dhana lubdhair nirakrutaha.
धनलुब्धैर्निराकृतः धनलुब्धैर्निराकृतः
yai santyajya pitrusneham dhanalubdhair nirakritah.
Yai santyajya pitrusneham dhanalubdhair nirakritah. Yai santyajya pitrusneham dhanalubdhair nirakritah.
Patisvajana hardam cha.
Patisvajana hardam cha. Patisvajana hardam cha.
Harditeshveva me manaha.
Harditeshveva me manaha. Harditeshveva me manaha.
Patisvajana hardam cha. Harditeshveva me manaha.
Patisvajana hardam cha. Harditeshveva me manaha. Patisvajana hardam cha. Harditeshveva me manaha.
Yai santyajya pitrusneham dhanalubdhair nirakritah. Patisvajana hardam cha. Harditeshveva me manaha.
Yai santyajya pitrusneham dhanalubdhair nirakritah. Patisvajana hardam cha. Harditeshveva me manaha. Yai santyajya pitrusneham dhanalubdhair nirakritah. Patisvajana hardam cha. Harditeshveva me manaha.
Santyajya, abandoned, the one who was abandoned. They abandoned me out of their greed for the wealth. They are able to lose pitrusneham, love of the father, pati, love of a husband, svajana, kinsmen, all his family, extended family. They were able to compromise the love for the person out of greed for this wealth. They didn't care the father's love or husband's love or the kinsman's love. But still, though they have done it, though they have abandoned me for the sake of out of greed for wealth, harditeshveva me manaha. My mind still has got that affection, that feeling of affection for those people who abandoned me. Still I have that affection for them. Harditeshveva. Teshu means to all those who abandoned them. Hardi means affection. Harditeshveva eva, that only I have. Eva me manaha. Teshu eva me manaha. Though they still abandoned me, I have still that affection for them. That my heart is still have that feeling. Kime tannabhijanami.
Kime tannabhijanami. Kime tannabhijanami.
Janannapi mahamate.
Janannapi mahamate. Janannapi mahamate.
Kime tannabhijanami. Janannapi mahamate.
Kime tannabhijanami. Janannapi mahamate. Kime tannabhijanami. Janannapi mahamate.
Yat prema pravanam chittam.
Yat prema pravanam chittam. Yat prema pravanam chittam.
Viguneshvapi bandhushu.
विगुणेष्वपि बन्धुषु विगुणेष्वपि बन्धुषु
यत् प्रेम प्रवणं चित्तं विगुणेष्वपि बन्धुषु
यत् प्रेम प्रवणं चित्तं विगुणेष्वपि बन्धुषु यत् प्रेम प्रवणं चित्तं विगुणेष्वपि बन्धुषु
किमेतन्नाभिजानामि जानन्नपि महामते यत् प्रेम प्रवणं चित्तं विगुणेष्वपि बन्धुषु
किमेतन्नाभिजानामि जानन्नपि महामते यत् प्रेम प्रवणं चित्तं विगुणेष्वपि बन्धुषु किमेतन्नाभिजानामि जानन्नपि महामते यत् प्रेम प्रवणं चित्तं विगुणेष्वपि बन्धुषु
Janannabhi Mahamate. Mahamate means wise person. He's addressing the king, so he's calling him wise person. Nabi Janami, I do not know. Kim Yedan Nabi Janami. I still don't know how my thoughts are drawn. Prema Pravanam. Pravanam means drawn towards the prema pravanam, the love, the tendency to love. Why? How my thoughts are still drawn towards them with love? I really don't know. He's saying Viguneshvapi Bandhushu. They are wicked relatives. My wicked relatives, I don't know why, how my heart is drawn towards them in love, in affection. Prema pravanam chittam. Chittam means my heart or my conscience, whatever you call it. Why it is drawn, my thoughts, why I have that affectionate thoughts towards them, those wicked kinsmen. Tesham krute me nishvaso
तेषां कृते मे विश्वासो तेषां कृते मे विश्वासो
दौर्मनस्यं च जायते
दौर्मनस्यं च जायते दौर्मनस्यं च जायते
तेषां कृते मे निश्वासो धौर्मनस्यं च जायते
तेषां कृते मे विश्वासो दौर्मनस्यं च जायते तेषां कृते मे विश्वासो दौर्मनस्यं च जायते
करोमि किं यन्न मनस्
करोमि किं यन्न मनस् करोमि किं यन्न मनस्
तेष्वप्रीतिषु निष्ठुरम्
तेष्वप्रीतिषु निष्ठुरम् तेष्वप्रीतिषु निष्ठुरम्
करोमि किं यन्न मनस् तेष्वप्रीतिषु निष्ठुरम्
करोमि किं यन्न मनस् तेष्वप्रीतिषु निष्ठुरम् करोमि किं यन्न मनस् तेष्वप्रीतिषु निष्ठुरम्
तेषां कृते मे निश्वासो धौर्मनस्यं च जायते करोमि किं यन्न मनस् तेष्वप्रीतिषु निष्ठुरम्
तेषां कृते मे निश्वासो दौर्मनस्यं च जायते करोमि किं यन्न मनस् तेष्वप्रीतिषु निष्ठुरम् तेषां कृते मे निश्वासो दौर्मनस्यं च जायते करोमि किं यन्न मनस्तेष्वप्रीतिषु निष्ठुरम्
मम्मी धैर्यमनस्यं
Dhaurmanasya. Dhaurmanasya is dejected. Dhaurmanasya. Okay? Dhaurmanasya means I am so dejected. I am not able to, like, whatever they have made me go through this, I feel dejected now. That is what Dhaurmanasya. Okay. Tesham kriti, because of them, nishvaso, so many times you feel like, breathless when you are anxious and you moan, dukkam, so you moan that this has happened, why it has to, the main thing for us is why me? Why me comes first? Why me comes first? Why all the others? We all think all the others are happy and everything comes only to us. Every one of us go through everything in life. No one is spared here. Nature's law, no, it is very, very neutral. There is no favoritism there. Nature's law does not have any favoritism. So every one of us go through everything. We don't even think that others are happy. Why me? It's not like that. We have to be grateful, at least with all the problems, you are able to come here and learn something new in your life. So all these things is a blessing. You have to count it as a blessing. So he was mourning, like, he feels so dejected. Dhaurmanasya, he feels so dejected. He's not first able to not think them otherwise. He wants to still have that affection for them. But they have failed him miserably. They have chased him out of the house. He is so dejected. Why it is like, why I am not like, protesting also. And he has earned all the money and he's like, wealth is, he has earned everything. He has worked hard and he has earned everything. In spite of that, he was chased out. Karomi kim, what can I do? Karomi kim. Yenna manas, this pain has not toughened my heart, hardened my heart. The pain, the dejection that has happened to me now, the rejection and the dejection that comes out of it has happened to me now, that has not hardened my heart. If my heart is hard, then I would have hated them myself. But I could not do that also. So this is puzzling. Why this has to happen? So both of them are now in complete confusion. Interestingly, you see it like we call the first three Varnashrama Dharma, we call like, Brahmana, Kshatriya and Vaishya and Shudra. We have the four, this thing. It is not a discrimination, it is a societal, like, you have to run the society, so it is happening like that. The people in question are, one is a Kshatriya, who is the Raja. The other is a Vaishya, who is the merchant. Both are considered to be superior in class. The Varnashrama Dharma system, Varnashramas, they are supposed to be very sincere, superior. So they feel like, I am the king, I am the Vaishya, but why still should I have the confusion? We are supposed to be brainy people. No? We are supposed to be brainy people. How I can have that ego, no? That ego comes to them. Why me? We are so brilliant. I am the king of this country. I am the very well versed merchant. Of course, merchant does not have that kind of a superiority complex here, but the king surely had. Because the way he goes and questions the Rishi there. Markandeya comes here in the next. See, Markandeya comes here and probably hands over the baton to Rishi. From now on till the 13th chapter Markandeya, we will not see him. He will come only for conclusion. How the whole thing is concluded. Though the narration is by him, it will all come as Rishi Ruvacha. or Raja Uvacha, like that only it will come. Rishi now is entering. Now they are both are in the ashram, no? So they are both now go and approach that Rishi and ask him the questions. Why this is happening? In spite of us being superior class, why it is happening to us? Okay. Markandeya Uvacha.
Markandeya Uvacha. Markandeya Uvacha.
Tatastau sahitau vipra.
Tatastau sahitau vipra. Tatastau sahitau vipra.
Tam munim samupasthitau.
Tam munim samupasthitau. Tam munim samupasthitau.
Tatastau sahitau vipra. Tam munim samupasthitau.
Tatastau sahitau vipra. Tam munim samupasthitau. Tatastau sahitau vipra. Tam munim samupasthitau.
Samadharnama vaishyosau.
Samadhirnama vaishyosau. Samadhirnama vaishyosau.
Sacha parthiva sattamaha.
Sacha parthiva sattamaha. Sacha parthiva sattamaha.
Samadharnama vaishyosau. Sacha parthiva sattamaha.
Samadhirnama vaishyosau. Sacha parthiva sattamaha. Samadhirnama vaishyosau. Sacha parthiva sattamaha.
Tatastau sahitau vipra. Tam munim samupasthitau. Samadhirnama vaishyosau. Sacha parthiva sattamaha.
Tatastau sahitau vipra. Tam munim samupasthitau. Samadhirnama vaishyosau. Sacha parthiva sattamaha. Tatastau sahitau vipra. Tam munim samupasthitau. Samadhirnama vaishyosau. Sacha parthiva sattamaha.
Tatastau sahitau. They together. Vipratham munim, the sage who is seated there. Vipra means twice born. That is normally mentioned for a Brahmin. Twice born. Brahmins, teeth and birds are all considered as twice born. Teeth, you have first milk tooth, and then once it falls, then the permanent teeth come. In the same way, birds lay eggs only, and the first one that comes out is the egg, and from that only then the small baby bird comes. So they are all called, for Brahmins, like it is like when they do the thread ceremony, it is the second birth, they say. So that is the reason all these three things are called twice born. Vipra means twice born. Vipratham munim samupasthita. They approached. Samupasthita. Samupasthita means approach the muni there. So, who approached? Samadharnama Vaishyosau. The merchant named Samadhi. Parthiva Sattamaha. The best of kings. Parthiva means king. Sattamaha. Parthiva, best of kings. These two approached the Rishi who is seated there. Okay. Krutva tutau yathanyayam.
Krutva tutau yathanyayam. Krutva tutau yathanyayam.
Yatharham tena samvidham.
Yatharham tena samvidham. Yatharham tena samvidham.
Krutva tutau yathanyayam. Yatharham tena samvidham.
Krutva tutau yathanyayam. यथार्हं तेन संविदं कृत्वा तुतौ यथा न्यायं यथार्हं तेन संविदम्
उपविष्टौ कथाः काश्चित्
उपविष्टौ कथाः काश्चित्
चक्रतुर्वैश्यपार्थिवौ काश्चित्. Okay, when the sandhi comes, kaschit chakratur, kaschit, no third there, ich comes. Okay, kaschit chakratur. Okay, upavishtav kathah kachit chakratur vaishyaparthivau.
उपविष्टौ कथाः काश्चित् चक्रतुर्वैश्यपार्थिवौ उपविष्टौ कथाः काश्चित् चक्रतुर्वैश्यपार्थिवौ
कृत्वा तुथौ यथा न्यायं यदार्हं तेन संविदम् उपविष्टौ कथा काश्चित् चक्रतुर्वैश्यपार्थिवौ
कृत्वा तुतौ यथा न्यायं यथार्हं तेन संविदम् उपविष्टौ कथाः काश्चित् चक्रतुर्वैश्यपार्थिवौ कृत्वा तुतौ यथा न्यायं यथार्हं तेन संविदम् उपविष्टौ कथाः काश्चित् चक्रतुर्वैश्यपार्थिवौ
Krutva tutau, they approached him yatha nyayam, according to how a sage has to be respected. When you go and meet a sannyasi, we all have a procedure how to do that. It is not like going and visiting a grihastha and doing a namaskaram and things. We have a proper way of yatha nyayam. There is a due procedure that is to be followed to worshipper, to pay respect to the sannyasi. Yatharham, that is with observing all these due respects, samvidham, respect, samvidham means respect, due respect. They pay respect and then upavishtav, they sat down. The king and the merchant sat down. Why? Katha kaschit chakratur vaishyapat. Vaishya and Parthiva, both, they sat down to tell their stories, to the sage. That is all. Now the Markandeya has left now. Now it is from here, Raja and Vaishya also will not be talking so much. The merchant will not be talking so much. Raja does all the talking. Only the Rishi is giving explanations. Okay. Rajovacha Bhagavan Swamaham Prashtum Icham Ekam Vadasvatat Bhagavan Swamaham Prashtum Icham Ekam Vadasvatat
Bhagavan Swamaham Prashtum Ichhamekam Vadasvatat Bhagavan Swamaham Prashtum Ichhamekam Vadasvatat
Dukkhayayan me manasas
Dukkhayayan me manasas
Svachittaya tatham vina Dukkhayayan me manasas Svachittaya tatham vina
Dukkhayayan me manasas स्वचित्ताय ततां विना दुःखाय यन्मे मनसः स्वचित्ताय ततां विना
Bhagavan Stvam Aham Prashtum Ichhamekam. Bhagavan, they are revered sage Bhagavan. Tvam Aham Prashtum Ichham Ekam. We wish to ask, Ichha, we wish to ask you one question. Whatever doubts, only one thing we want to know. Vadasvatata, please reply. What is our question? Please answer our question. Dukkhaya yanme manasas. When the mind is in complete grief, Swachittaya tatham vina. Vina, there is no control of our thoughts. We are not able to control our thoughts when our mind is completely grief-stricken. When the mind is in grief, we are not able to think about anything else. We are not able to even control the thoughts. The thoughts keep coming. Very simple. When someone who has gone out has not returned in time, how many thoughts come to our mind? Very simple one. I'm just saying this. All the philosophies, the best philosophies come when there is a death in the house. இப்போ எரிச்சிட்டு வந்து இங்கே தலைக்கு குளிச்சா எல்லாம் போயிடுறது அதோடு சேர்ந்து. Everything goes off. After coming back home, you have a head bath. With the head bath, the thoughts also go down and we back to our pavilion. But we don't have the control over our thought. The thoughts keep coming one over the other, one over the other. What if it has... Ask a kid who was like, got his final mark sheet. 10th or 12th, whatever now exams are going on. Ask them, what if I had done like this? Probably I should have done it like this, so I would have got some. Where I missed my marks. His thoughts will be all on how he or she missed that mark, or if he didn't get what he was expecting. For everyone, if you see so, it is not like people who are like, don't go anywhere else. Take me also. I can talk all the philosophies in the world sitting here. If something hits me very badly, how I am going to respond to that is where my real person is. How anxious we become. There's no control over our thoughts. When all the thoughts go around that, pivoted around that one thing that has gone wrong, or one thing that didn't go according to your expectations. No? Right? When things don't go according to what you wish or your expectation, we always have the calculation. X plus y is equal to 2. It's this 1 means y has to be 1. No? Life's mathematics is totally different. No? That is what that wondering is. Why when we are grief-stricken, we don't have control over our thoughts? This is the valid question, and all of us have the same kind of an issue. So we will see what the Rishi says later. Mamatvam gatarajyasya
Mamatvam gatarajyasya Mamatvam gatarajyasya
Rajyangeshvakhileshvapi
Rajyangeshvakhileshvapi Rajyangeshvakhileshvapi
Mamatvam gatarajyasya Rajyangeshvakhileshvapi
Mamatvam gatarajyasya Rajyangeshvakhileshvapi Mamatvam gatarajyasya Rajyangeshvakhileshvapi किलेष्वपि
जानतोऽपि यथान्यस्य
जानतोऽपि यथान्यस्य
किमेतन्मुनिसत्तमा
किमेतन्मुनिसत्तमा
जानतोऽपि यथान्यस्य किमेतन्मुनिसत्तमा
जानतोऽपि यथान्यस्य किमेतन्मुनिसत्तमा जानतोऽपि यथान्यस्य किमेतन्मुनिसत्तमा
ममत्वं गतराज्यस्य राज्याङ्गेष्वखिलेष्वपि जानतोऽपि यथान्यस्य किमेतन्मुनिसत्तमा
ममत्वं गतराज्यस्य राज्याङ्गेष्वखिलेष्वपि जानतोऽपि यथान्यस्य किमेतन्मुनिसत्तमा ममत्वं गतराज्यस्य राज्याङ्गेष्वखिलेष्वपि जानतोऽपि यथान्यस्य किमेतन्मुनिसत्तमा
ममत्वं गतराज्यस्य the lost Gatharajas in the past. I have lost my kingdom. The kingdom that I have lost, Rajyangesh, the governance, everything that I have lost, all the things, the realm, ruling, everything I have lost. Why I still feel possessive about that? About the lost kingdom. Mamatvam, why that feeling of possessiveness still towards the lost kingdom with all its realm? It has gone. Why I have that still? Think that it is mine when it is actually not mine. Janatobi yathanyasya. I know very well they are not mine. But still I have that feeling. Kimethan, Kim. Please explain, how can this be like this? I know that my kingdom is no more mine, but still I feel possessive about it. Venerable sage, Muni Sattama, respected sage, venerable sage, please tell me how can this happen? I behave as if I don't know that I have lost my kingdom. No? Janatopi yathamyasya. I feel like, as though I don't know that I have lost that kingdom, I still feel possessive about the lost kingdom. Ayam chanikrudah putrair.
Ayam chanikrudah putrair. Ayam chanikrudah putrair.
Dharer bhrityaistathodjitaha.
Dharai bhrityai satojitaha. Dharai bhrityai satojitaha.
Ayam chanikrudah putrair dharer bhrityaistathodjitaha.
Ayam chanikrudah putrair dharai bhrityai satojitaha. Ayam chanikrudah putrair dharai bhrityai satojitaha.
Swajanena cha santyakta.
Swajanena cha santyakta. Swajanena cha santyakta.
Teshu hardhi tathapyati.
Teshu hardhi tatapyati. Teshu hardhi tatapyati.
Swajanena cha santyaktas teshu hardhi tathapyati.
स्वजनेन च सन्त्यक्तस्तेषु हार्दी तथाप्यति स्वजनेन च सन्त्यक्तस्तेषु हार्दी तथाप्यति
अयं च निकृतः पुत्रैर्दारैर्भृत्यैस्तथोज्जितः स्वजनेन च सन्त्यक्तस्तेषु हार्दी तथाप्यति
अयं च निकृतः पुत्रैर्दारैर्भृत्यैस्तथोज्जितः स्वजनेन च सन्त्यक्तस्तेषु हार्दी तथाप्यति अयं च निकृतः पुत्रैर्दारैर्भृत्यैस्तथोज्जितः स्वजनेन च सन्त्यक्तस्तेषु हार्दी तथाप्यति
Ayam cha. Now my case is this. I have told. He is now telling about the merchant. This fellow who is with me, Nikrutha Putradare Bhrutye. Bhrutye means servants. Putra is children. Dhara is the wife. He is deserted. He is deserted. Nikrutha. He is humiliated, deserted by his wife, children and servants. Ujjitaha. Ujjitaha. Pratyaya is Tat Ujjitaha. Tathojjitaha. It comes like that. Tathojjitaha. Tat Ujjitaha. He is abandoned by them. They are not only like humiliated him, they abandoned him also. They have abandoned him. Svajanena, though he was santyaktas, though he was abandoned by his own people, though he was abandoned, santyaktas is abandoning, svajana, his own people abandoned him, even in spite of being abandoned by his own people. Teshu hardhi tatapyati. He still has affection for those people. He still has affection for those people. That is, so though he was humiliated and abandoned by his son, wife and his servants, he still has love for them, affection for them. Evamesha tathaham cha
एवमेष तथाहं च एवमेष तथाहं च
dvavapyatyanta dukkhidav. See, this is, you have to, I don't know, because it is other language, probably it is all split and written, no? Dvavapyatyanta dukkhidav, that is dvavapyatyanta, that is all single like that, individual. Okay, it is Sanskritam, it is like it is half cut and it's like Evamesha yathaham sa dvavapyatyanta dukkhidav.
एवमेष तथाहं च द्वावप्यत्यन्त दुःखितौ
atyanta actually it also comes dvavapyatyanta dukkhidav. Atyanta dvavat atyanta this increasingly atyanta means increasingly dukkhita, depressed, dukkhita. Okay. Evamesha tataham cha dvavapyatyanta. That is why when we say dvavapyatyanta dukkhidav, you split it like that, then you will get it over a period of time. Dvavapyatyanta dukkhidav. Slowly, slowly. Dvavatyantadukkhitau. Evamesha tathaham cha dvavatyantadukkhitau.
Evamesha tathaham cha dvavatyantadukkhitau. Evamesha tathaham cha dvavatyantadukkhitau.
Drishtadoshepi vishaye.
Drishtadoshepi vishaye. Drishtadoshepi vishaye.
Mamatva krishtamanasau.
Mamatva krishtamanasau. Mamatva krishtamanasau.
Drishtadoshepi vishaye. Mamatva krishtamanasau.
Drishtadoshepi vishaye. Mamatva krishtamanasau. Drishtadoshepi vishaye. Mamatva krishtamanasau.
Evamesha tathaham cha dvavatyantadukkhitau. Drishtadoshepi vishaye. Mamatva krishtamanasau.
Evamesha tathaham cha dvavatyantadukkhitau. Drishtadoshepi vishaye. Mamatva krishtamanasau. Evamesha tathaham cha dvavatyantadukkhitau. Drishtadoshepi vishaye. Mamatva krishtamanasau.
Evamesha tat aham cha. It is the same with me. Both of us are increasingly depressed. Both of us. Dva means two. Aptyanta means increasingly. Dukkhitau, depressed. The same is the case with me. We both are very, very depressed. Drishtadoshepi vishaye. We see faults in those things, in people, whatever that has happened. Drishta, we see those faults, their faults. Mamatva krishtamanasa. Still we feel it is ours. Or even though we could see their faults very clearly, we are still attached to that. Mamatva, we feel it is still ours. Why? We are attached to those things, people, though we see their faults. This is the beautiful line. Next two lines are Tat kimetan mahabhaga.
Tat kimetan mahabhaga. Tat kimetan mahabhaga.
Yanmoho jnaninorapi.
Yanmoho jnaninorapi. Yanmoho jnaninorapi.
Tat kimetan mahabhaga. Yanmoho jnaninorapi.
Tat kimetan mahabhaga. Yanmoho jnaninorapi. Tat kimetan mahabhaga. Yanmoho jnaninorapi.
Mamasya cha bhavatyesha.
Mamasya cha bhavatyesha. Mamasya cha bhavatyesha.
Vivekandasya mudhata.
Vivekandasya mudhata. Vivekandasya mudhata.
Mamasya cha bhavatyesha. Vivekandasya mudhata.
Mamasya cha भवत्येषा विवेकान्धस्य मूढता
तत्किमेतन्महाभाग यन्मोहो ज्ञानिनोरपि ममास्य च भवत्येषा विवेकान्धस्य मूढता
तत्किमेतन्महाभाग यन्मोहो ज्ञानिनोरपि ममास्य च भवत्येषा विवेकान्धस्य मूढता तत्किमेतन्महाभाग यन्मोहो ज्ञानिनोरपि ममास्य च भवत्येषा विवेकान्धस्य मूढता
तत् किमेतन्महाभाग. How is it possible? Mahabhaga, venerable sage, he is addressing them with so much of respect. How is it possible? Yanmoho jnani norapi. He declares himself as a jnani. We are all very intelligent people. We know things better. Why we are deluded like this? Yanmoho. Moha means delusion. Why we have this delusion? Jnanino rapi, in spite of being a knowledgeable persons. Why we are having this delusions? Mamasya bhavatyesha. How our feeling is no? It is like Vivekandasya mudata. People who are blind to reasoning, they cannot see things clearly. Our perplexity is like that. He is looking down upon them. Like people who are blind to right things, righteousness. Vivekandasya mudata. Mudha means blind. Vivekandasya, right understanding if you do. Vivekandasya, vivekam. Vivekam means the one who can see the right and the wrong. Vivekandasya mudata. The one who is blind to find what is right and wrong. It is our perplexity is like how they are. But we are jnanis. Why we have to have this delusion? At least he knows what his problems are. One thing we have to appreciate that he knows. In spite of me being a king, why I am going through this, or like at least so many of us don't know what actually our problems are. We are not able to explain, put it in words. But this king had the capacity to put his problems in words to the sage. We will see the sage's reply the next week, next class. Now we will revise whatever we have learned, because that's a long one and I don't want to give a break in between there. When you do it in one full go. Okay? Rajovacha. Rajovacha yairnirasto bhavan lubdai putradharadibhirdhanai teshu kim bhavadasnehamanubhadnati manasam vaishyovacha evametat yatha praha भवानस्मद्गतं वचः किं करोमि न बध्नाति मम निष्ठुरतां मनः यैः सन्त्यज्य पितृस्नेहं धनलुब्धैर्निराकृतः पतिस्वजनहार्दं च हार्दितेष्वेव मे मनः किमेतन्नाभिजानामि जानन्नपि महामगे यत्प्रेम प्रवणं चित्तं विगुणेष्वपि बन्धुषु तेषां कृते मे निःश्वासो धौर्मणस्यं च जायते करोमि किं यन्न मनः तेष्वप्रीतिषु निष्ठुरम् मार्कण्डेय उवाच ततस्तौ सहितौ विप्र
तं मुनिं समुपस्थितौ समाधिर्नाम वैश्योऽसौ स च पार्थिवसत्तमः कृत्वा तु तौ यथा न्यायं यथार्हं तेन संविदम् उपविष्टौ कदा काश्चित् चक्रतुर्वैश्य पार्थिवौ राजोवाच भगवन् स्वामहं प्रष्टुमिच्छाम्येकं वदस्व तत् दुःखाय यन्मे मनसः स्वचित्ताय ततां विना मम त्वं गतराज्यस्य राज्याङ्गेष्वखिलेष्वपि जानतोऽपि यथान्यस्य किमेतन्मुनिसत्तमा अयं च निगृढः पुत्रैर्दारैर्भृत्यैस्तथोज्जितः स्वजनेन च सन्त्यक्तस्तेषु हृदिस्तथाप्यपि एवमेष यदाहं च द्वावक्त्यत्यन्तदुःखितौ दृष्टदोषेऽपि विषये मम त्वाकृष्टमानसौ तत्किमेतन्महाबाल यन्मोहो ज्ञानिनोरपि ममास्य च भवत्येष विवेकान्तस्य मूढता